Stop making PDF reports by hand. Python does it for you automatically. Every week, copying data, formatting tables, fixing layouts. It takes forever. There are literally 10 lines of code that eliminate all of that. First, install one library. Open your terminal and run pip install fpdf2, that's it. One command. Now in Python, import it and create your PDF object. You've got a blank page. Let's fill it. Set your font, add a title, then loop through your data and write each row. For a table, one cell per column, units, revenue, product name. Python handles the layout. When you're done, one line saves the whole thing, that's it. Run the script. And look, a complete, formatted PDF report. Generated in under a second. No clicking, no copying, no formatting. Every time you run it, a fresh report. You can hook this up to real data, a CSV, a database, an API, same 10 lines. Follow for more Python automation. Drop a comment, what do you want automated next?